Once upon a time, in a small village where every day brought new joys and the air was filled with the scent of happiness, a farming game called Story of Seasons was the talk of the town. There was a boy named Raj whose dream was to start his own farming adventure. He found true happiness in the fields, and his father, a respected farmer, taught him the ways of farming. His father always told him, "Take care of the land, and the land will take care of you." Raj had a best friend named Samir, who always helped him with the farming chores. They worked together, laughed together, and enjoyed their days filled with happiness. One day, a foreign farmer named Lisa arrived in the village. She was selling different flower seeds, and Raj was drawn to them. With those seeds, Raj grew beautiful flowers of various colors, making the village even more vibrant and charming. Another foreign farmer, Pierre, also came to the village. He had seeds of new crops like beans, cauliflower, and tomatoes. Raj included these crops in his fields, making them look more appealing and yielding better profits. In Raj's life, there was another special lady named Maya. She lived near the village in a forest and had befriended all the animals there. Raj became friends with her and started visiting the forest every morning. He enjoyed exploring and seeing new animals with Maya, which brought him immense joy. As time went on, Raj's farming endeavors found success. He started raising local cows and sheep, selling their milk, butter, and wool for a good income. Raj and Samir's friendship remained strong as ever. Lisa and Pierre also helped Raj, and they all became good friends. Every day in the village was filled with happiness. The smiles of the villagers and their hard work made the village a wonderful place to live. One day, Raj mustered the courage to confess his feelings to Samir. He revealed that he had special feelings for Maya. Samir explained to Raj that true friendship and love were different, but if Raj was happy, it brought happiness to Samir too. Raj told Maya about his feelings, and their relationship grew stronger. Maya took Raj to the forest to meet all her animal friends, and Raj took Maya to explore his lush fields. And so, in the game Story of Seasons, A Wonderful Life, Raj achieved his dream, understood the essence of friendship, and found love. His hard work, compassion, and dedication to farming brought happiness into his life.